Day 6 Brain Longevity Meditation. Keep your brain young. What if aging is not simply about getting older? What if the real goal is to remain mentally sharp, emotionally resilient, curious, and vibrant throughout the life? Many people fear losing their memory, their focus, mental clarity, and their independence. But longevity is not about just adding years to the life. It is about adding life to years. Modern science says that brain continues to adapt, learn, create new connections throughout the life. The choices we make every day influences how our brain ages. Today's meditation is designed to nourish our brain, support cognitive vitality, cultivate a mindset of lifelong growth and longevity. Let's start with certain purpose and intention. Find a comfortable position and let's begin. The purpose of today's meditation is to support healthy brain aging, cognitive resilience, cellular vitality, and of course, lifelong mental well-being. A healthy brain depends on many factors: healthy blood flow, neurons, healthy mitochondria, healthy sleep, healthy emotional regulation, and a healthy mindset. One of the most fascinating discoveries in longevity science is the role of mitochondria. Mitochondria are tiny energy producing structures found inside nearly every cell of the body, including brain cells. They are often called the powerhouse of the cell, but they do beyond powerhouse. Your brain uses approximately 20% of body's energy, even though it represents only a small percentage of the body weight. Healthy mitochondria help support focus, memory, learning, and mental performance. In traditional Chinese medicine, longevity is closely connected with the kidney essence, the body's reserve of vitality and life force. And if we see from the chakra perspective, from the energy medicine perspective, it is the Agnya chakra and Sahasrara chakra or crown chakra and third eye chakras. They nourish these systems together. And of course, our body being interconnected system, holistic system, every part of our body makes a difference. Now let's start with an intention. Take a slow deep breath and gentle exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Ask yourself, what is your intention for today's meditation? What would it feel like remain mentally vibrant throughout the life? Curious, sharp, wise, energetic, resilient. Today, my intention is to support my brain for a long and healthy life. Today, I nourish my brain, I support my vitality, I cultivate longevity. With a deep gratitude towards your brain, reflect on everything it has helped you experience throughout your life. Dear brain, thank you for every lesson. Thank you for every memory. Thank you for every challenge that helped me to grow. Thank you for helping me to adapt to different changes. Thank you for helping me learn throughout my life. Thank you for your resilience. Thank you for your wisdom. Today, I honor you. I support your longevity. I invest in your future. Let that gratitude flow throughout your brain. Now bring awareness to the billions of cells that make up your brain. Inside each cell are tiny mitochondria. Imagine them as a miniature power stations, working tirelessly, producing energy, supporting every thought, every memory, every movement, every decision, every moment of awareness. Visualize this mitochondria growing with golden light, strong, efficient, vibrant, healthy. Imagine every brain cell receiving that energy it needs to thrive. This longevity is supported by kidney essence. Imagine a reservoir of life force deep within you, abundant, nourishing, renewing, supporting every cell in your body. The third eye chakra supports insight and mental clarity. The crown chakra represents your higher awareness and connection. Their element is pure consciousness, infinite, expansive, limitless. You can expand it. Imagine yourself connected to a source of vitality greater than yourself. With that thought, with that visualization, relax your forehead, relax your eyes, relax your jaw, relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in and out. Allow your body to become calm and receptive. Visualize a beautiful golden light flowing into your brain. The healing light reaches every neuron, every memory center, every learning center, every thinking center, every mitochondrion. Imagine your brain becoming brighter, healthier, younger, more resilient. Every cell receives nourishment. Every cell receives energy. Every cell receives healing. Visualize your brain 10 years from now, still curious, still learning, still creating, still vibrant, still resilient. See yourself living with mental clarity and confidence. Allow this image to become real. Your brain is listening, your cells are listening, your future is listening, and most importantly, every part of your body and brain is feeling. Remember, your thoughts and your emotions, feelings create together electromagnetic field. And that is what makes it happen in terms of the manifestation. So now, release the fear of aging. Many people fear aging. They fear losing what they value most. Aging is not the enemy, but decline is not inevitable. Your daily choices influence your future. I release the fear of aging. I release the fear of limitation. Let's start with some positive affirmations. My brain is healthy. My brain is vibrant. My brain is resilient. My cells are organized. My mitochondria are strong. I nourish my brain every day. I learn throughout the life. I remain curious. I remain adaptable. I remain mentally sharp. My mind is clear. My memory is strong. I support healthy aging. I create a vibrant future. Every day I invest in my longevity. Slowly visualize meeting your future self. How does your future self looks like? Visualize that wise, healthier, energetic, mental sharp, emotionally balanced. The future version of you smiles and says, "Thank you. Thank you for taking care of your brain. Thank you for choosing healthy habits. Thank you for investing in your future. Thank you for believing in your ability to age with vitality." Allow yourself to receive the message. Allow yourself to receive that message. Remember, longevity is not created in a single day. It is created through daily choices. Every healthy habit, every nourishing meal, every restful sleep, every meditation, every act of self-care contributes to the future of your brain. Your brain is designed for growth, designed for adaptation, designed for lifelong learning. Today, you invested in that future. Place one hand gently on your forehead. Take a slow, deep breath. Thank your brain. Thank you for your wisdom. Thank you for your resilience. Thank you for supporting me throughout my life. I honor you. I nourish you. I support your longevity. Take one final deep breath in. Take one deep breath in and out. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Namaste.